Sun protection kahit saan? Yes, please. Using Ellana Clean Screen Tinted Sunscreen. Mineral base siya, so gentle on the skin and natural for everyday use. Lightweight, easy to blend, no makeup look lang ang datingan. May natural tint na helps even out the look of my skin tone. So fresh looking agad kahit ito lang. It gives broad spectrum sun protection and helps control oil. From quick errands to walking outside, I still feel protected. Daily essential talaga siya for me. Perfect for indoors and outdoors. Sa sobrang init sa labas, don't forget to reapply during the day. It still feels lightweight and comfy even after reapplying. Perfect for everyday use, indoors or outdoors. Fresh, smooth looking skin all day.